Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality food or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, we're going to be making you corned beef and fried cabbage. And I'm going to be making this corned beef in my pressure cooker pro. Alright? So alright, let me move this to the side. This is my corned beef right here. This is, hold on. That's about ready to fall out of the way. Anyway, this corned beef right here, how many pounds is this? Okay, it's on this side. This is four pounds corned beef. I paid 16 bucks for this. I believe I bought this at Walmart. Alright? That's what this is. It's my heavy too. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Alright. You're gonna need some olive oil. This is one jalapeno. And I have like a whole, I don't know how many of these I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna slice them up and see what they look like. But this is so you can use like one red bell pepper and one yellow pepper. That should be enough. More than enough. So here's some of these little yellow peppers right here. I got 2 heads of cabbage right here. And the seasoning that we're going to use, I'm going to use some all season right here. Seasoned all by Morton. I have some garlic salt right here by Lawry's. And I have some granulated onion powder. And also I'm going to use some chicken base, okay? And then of course you know we got to put a little water. We're not going to, no, we ain't going to even put no water in it. We just use the water to come from this right here, okay? So we trying to fry this cabbage. We ain't trying to smother it, okay? Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this going. This ain't going to take no more than, here, let me just go ahead and put it in here for you guys. This shouldn't take no longer. About an hour. So, and you do want to leave all that juice that's in there in it, okay? So don't rinse your meat, because that's where all your flavor is going to come from. And also, I'm not going to use this whole thing on this. Okay, I'm going to be making me some sandwich. You better believe that one. So I'm just going to go ahead and slide this up in here. Just like that. See that? So you want to keep all that little stuff that's in there. Leave it in there. Please leave it in there. That's where your flavor at, okay? And you're going to pressure cook this. Let me see if they got that little seasoning pack, which they do. Let me wash that off. Alright, this is a little seasoning package coming up in there. You just want to put that in there. And just by the size of this, I probably need a cup of water. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this going. And then I'll see you guys when it's time to do that cabbage. 2 cups guys. Maybe, yeah. 2 cups. Alright. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I already shredded some of my lettuce already. And I shredded some, not shredded, but cut up some of my bell peppers. I just like to mix mine as I go. I just wanted to bring you here to show you what I'm about to do with this. Cut this piece off. And then you can cut this way, but most people just go ahead and cut like this. So you won't, you know, make the thing fall or whatever. So look, it's a core in there. So you just want to go like this at an angle. Take it out. Just like that. All you want to do with that. Alright. And this is how I was cutting my cabbage up. Let me get this back on here, act right. I'm just simply going like this, cutting it like this. And cut them almost like you're shredding lettuce, a little bit bigger. Or like you're about to make some coleslaw or something. I like smaller pieces and fried cabbage. And you just come down like this. See that? That's it. And we gotta wash this off. Along with the bell pepper, which I already washed off, but you know how that go. Show you what I did with the bell pepper. Excuse me, with the bell pepper. You can do it like this. Take that off. I like to cut mine long ways like this. Take these seeds up out of there. Then just cut it like this. See? Then one chop down the middle. That's it. Just throw those in there along with the other stuff. I'll do one more before I go. I normally go like this because I'll be trying to reserve all of it, and I just use my nail to dig out the seeds. Just like that. All you're doing, guys, put those in there, cook them together. I did forget to add one more thing. I want to put some garlic in mine as well. So if you don't want no garlic in yours, you don't have to. I normally like to put onions in mine too, but I know I ain't gonna be the only one to eat all this stuff, so I'm not gonna put that. That's why I got the onion. Granulated onion out. We'll wash that one off. I'll take it clean, but I don't know, I just particularly I'm gonna leave them like that because these kind of small. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting up this stuff, and with this one right here, this jalapeno, I'm just gonna cut him up in half. But we definitely gotta get that seed up out of there. We don't want it too spicy. Alright? So you make sure you get that seed up out of there. These little seeds right here. That's the main thing right there. Alright? Matter of fact, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and slice them mugs up too. Yep, sure is. Why not? Like that. I'm gonna cut him in threes like this and like that. Just like that. Alright? And do not touch your eyeballs or nothing like that. Alright, that's what we're looking like right now. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I am back. Now this is a whole 2-day process because I didn't allow this to rest that night when I was making it. So this is day number 2. But you can let yours rest for about 2 hours and then you can cut it up. But you want it kind of stiff like this, okay? So this is that. It's already been rinsed and all that stuff, and I just threw some garlic, about 2 cloves of garlic on top. See how it shrunk up? So you see the grain going this way? You want to cut against the grain. Just like that. See that? we're gonna probably end up using the whole thing anyway. Cause I know we're gonna shrink up that bad. I did skim some of the fat off. Let me see if that's enough. Now, I'm gonna turn it this way and go down like this. Then you want to dice it. About like that. Yeah, this might be enough. Okay. We'll do this one. You do want to leave a little of that fat on there. Alright. Yeah, that should be plenty, because that's not going to cook down. And it tastes amazing. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and take you over there. We're going to start frying this stuff up. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I got this on high for right now. I'm putting some olive oil in here. Like so. Probably a little bit more. Like 2 tablespoons. Move that around up in there. Like so. And we're going to take our fat that we had trimmed off. That's right. Take our fat, we're going to put that in there. Like that. We're going to come in with some garlic. And we're going to start putting our stuff in there. Okay guys, I'm back. You guys are breaking down. Let's take a little of this, a teaspoon of this, put that in on the side right here. This is the chicken base. We're just gonna come in with some more just lettuce, cabbage. I'm going to put some water in it now. A cup of that. More beef. Put some more seasoning and stuff in here before I put this all the way in there. And this one I'll probably put a little black pepper on this one. Put the rest of this in there. Move this around. Yep. We're gonna let this break down and cook. It should be like in 35 minutes. All this stuff should be done. I'll show you what we're working with. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Now see how it's breaking down. Real good. Just gonna let it keep on cooking. It's only been 15 minutes. So what I want to do right here is take me a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This is optional. You don't have to do it. I'm going to take me a teaspoon of that, a cap. Just put a little bit in there. That's it. That's how I eat mine. So you don't have to do it though. Mix that around a little bit. Let it cook for about a good 15 more minutes, and then we'll serve it up. Taste this. Good. That's why I say you don't want to put no salt in it, because that corned beef is cured. It got its own natural sauce with the stuff they use to cure it with. We did add some all-purpose Morton seasoning salt, so that helps it out too. So you don't have to do a lot. So like the big pieces like this right here, I always push it to the bottom, so it takes it a little bit longer to cook. All right, guys, we're gonna let this cook. Lid off, of course. I'm on medium, and when it gets done, I just serve it up. Show you guys how it looks on the plate in a minute. Okay, guys, I am done. Finally, huh? Okay, here it goes. That's how it looks. Got little cucumbers and tomatoes and onions on the side. I would like to have some cornbread, but I ain't have no milk, so you know how that go. But you can serve you up some of this with some cornbread and stuff, and it'd be super delicious. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up because I'm ready to eat. Alright guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm eating now. And please, that's right, please hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.